First, I have to rinse it properly. Wash it, wash it, wash it, wash. Healthiest oregano leaf for my drinks. Today I will show you the main ingredients of our immune booster drink. So here I have here the citrus or calamansi in Filipino. Then I have ginger and galangal or lemongrass, and then I have some leaves of oregano, and then I have here honey. Okay, so what we will do is I have here squeezed calamansi with water already, so I will add more. Okay, that is our calamansi juice, and then we will add some fresh ginger. Okay, add some fresh ginger, and then the lemongrass. Usually I'm boiling them, but I think fresh is also better. And then I have some oregano, and let's squeeze some more calamansi. Okay, so that one, and then Jerome, di ka Jerome? Hawak mo ganito. Huwag ingay, ganyan lang. Then I will pour some honey. Ganyan, hawak mo ganyan. Hindi, ito video. Itong video, hawak mo. Yan. Okay, so my assistant is helping me. And then I pour just enough amount of honey in our drink. Okay, I think that is enough. Let's add some more. Just to put some sweetener.
Please.
Okay, and then we will add some ice cube to make it refresher and refreshing, and delicious. Higher, please. Yan. Then I will stir it. So this drink is the drink that we've been drinking for 2 months now to make our immune system stronger. So it's easy to do, easy to make, so you can do this at home. Okay, so I will wait for at least 10 minutes to fuse all the ingredients. So let's wait. Let's not include that. Thank you, Jerome. So let's wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes before we consume it, so all the ingredients will fuse into our juice. Thank you very much for watching.